So starting the test drive in this F-150 King Ranch, I love the EcoBoost V6 in these. They just pull so good. Even the 2.7 liters, but these 3.5s are just powerful, absolutely powerful, and just a lot of fun to drive. I have it in the normal drive mode now, but I'm about to put into the sport mode. We're gonna give it a pull. All right, we're gonna do it from a stop here. Here we go. Yeah, that was nice. Very nice. Now I want to give one more huge thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this truck today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that third link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information. I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get to the best price on this or whatever pre-owned vehicle you might be interested in. But I mean, the ride quality on these is fantastic. Most full-size trucks, based on the platform, they ride really good, and this is just floating down the road here, so just great ride. Sound acoustics in here, they're pretty good. It could be a little better, but it is starting to pick up in terms of the wind, so that might not necessarily be the best test there. But even where I can hear the wind, it's not overly loud in here, so I like that. And so far it's been a fantastic test drive for a truck with almost 91,000 miles on it. Now in terms of what you get for the money here, I think $35,000 is pretty solid. You have that 3.5 EcoBoost, full 4-wheel drive, the 10-speed automatic, and with this one being a King Ranch, just having the panoramic roof and the navigation, the heated cooled seats, so many options here. The massage function as well. I just really like what you get in this package. Now fuel economy for these wasn't necessarily bad. I think it was decent for a full-size truck. And even though it was a V6, the twin turbos, you throw that into the account, it's really a good amount of power here to get that kind of fuel economy. So now I'm having it in the eco mode, and I will say the eco mode, driving this truck, you mostly want to use this on the interstate because this wants to shift a lot in that eco mode. In the sport mode, it's wanting to kind of rev a little higher. Even in the normal mode, this eco mode is wanting to keep you from shifting gears, and it's limiting you, kind of like 2019, 2018 Infinitis, Nissans, how that eco mode basically just doesn't react the same in terms of the throttle response, even as you put your foot into the floor. But again, most people won't even have this in the eco mode anyway, so not really a big deal. But again, it helps you with your fuel economy on the highway specifically. But I mean, just the options on this thing are crazy, and $35,000 is, for a truck, is nothing really. And you know, these are pretty reliable long term. I've seen a lot of these with 300,000 miles on them. They do require some maintenance, specifically with turbos if they start leaking or whatever, but you have a lifetime powertrain warranty on this truck from this dealer, and that will cover the turbos if they go out for whatever reason, just catastrophic failure. So it's always good to have that extra coverage as well. But a great truck, and this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2020 Ford F-150 King Ranch.